Welcome back to our podcast, where we dive into some of the most exciting and innovative tools for personal knowledge management. Today, we're exploring a fascinating platform called Siyuan. Siyuan is like a treasure trove for anyone looking to organize their thoughts and notes in a privacy-first environment. So let's jump right in. To kick things off, let's talk about what Siyuan truly is. Imagine having the power to manage your knowledge seamlessly. That's Siyuan's mission. It supports block-level references and has a Markdown WYSIWYG editor. Now, for those who may not be familiar with Markdown, it's a way to format your notes using simple symbols, so it's very user-friendly. Have you ever read a note that felt chaotic? Siyuan aims to change that by introducing structure and visual clarity. And here's a fun fact. Most features in Siyuan are completely free, including for commercial use. Isn't that refreshing? The developers seem to believe in making knowledge accessible to everyone without a big price tag hanging over your head. Now let's delve into some of the standout features. The Blockstyle editing allows users to zoom into specific sections and manage large documents easily. Imagine being able to edit a document that's 1,000,000 words long without feeling overwhelmed. And for the math lovers out there, it even supports charts and graphs. Yes, you heard me right. Have you ever struggled with studying? Siyuan has a nifty flashcard feature for spaced repetition. It's like turning your notes into a personal quiz, enabling you to retain information better. That raises the question, how do you study effectively? What methods work for you? While we're on the topic of techniques, let's touch on how Siyuan handles data. Unlike many platforms that sync changes in real time, Siyuan doesn't support synchronization through third-party sync disks. This might sound limiting, but it's a deliberate choice to ensure data integrity and avoid corruption. You can still connect with third-party cloud storage as a member. Pretty cool, right? Now, I'd love to address the elephant in the room. Siyuan is open source. This means anyone with coding skills can contribute and help enhance the platform. It's a unique opportunity for developers and enthusiasts alike to collaborate. Just thinking about the community behind this tool makes it even more appealing. Speaking of community, Siyuan has an incredible English discussion forum where users can share tips, upcoming developments, and even feedback. It's like a lively coffee shop atmosphere, but on the internet. Makes you think, how important is community support when you're using tech tools? And for those of you wondering about technical setups, Siyuan is compatible with Docker for easy deployment on servers. It may sound complicated, but think of Docker as a shipping container for software. It keeps everything organized and makes it easy to manage. Plus, if you've ever faced permission issues when setting up applications, you'll appreciate how Siyuan helps streamline that process. As we wrap up, think back to all the features we discussed today: privacy, extensive editing tools, and that community-driven spirit. To sum it up, Siyuan isn't just a tool. It's a platform that empowers you to take control of your knowledge in a structured way. Before we finish, I want to leave you with this question. What kind of knowledge management system do you think would best suit your personal workflow? It's something worth pondering. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to join us next time as we explore more fascinating tools and applications that can enhance your productivity and creativity. Until then, happy note-taking.